Alright, if you're looking to get set up with a Cash App Cash Card, I'm going to show you what the card looks like, kind of the behind the scenes of the website and the mobile app, talk through some of the features, and kind of show you what you can expect when you sign up for Cash App. This is what the card looks like. You'll have the opportunity to design your own debit type Cash App card, and that should come to you in the mail within about a week. And you will activate that card through the app, and I'll show you where that button is in a little bit. But it's pretty sleek, looks nice, got my signature on there, looking good, ready to go. So we'll take a look now at the Cash App features. So this is kind of their main website. So when using Cash App, you can send money instantly through the app, through a QR code or through a cash tag without fees. So you can pay anyone instantly. You get, like I said, you get to design your own debit card. You can draw on it. You can write your signature. You can make it goofy. You can make it simple. You can have your paycheck direct deposited into your account to spend instantly. And you can also invest in stocks and cryptocurrencies. Next, we're going to go take a look at the Cash App desktop. So most people use the Cash App mobile app. We're going to show you just the desktop real quick. So over on the left-hand side, you have your activity, your transactions, then you have your card balance, and then your settings, which is just some of your privacy information. And then if you click New, you can send a payment to someone. Great, so now we're going to take a look at the Cash App mobile app. So this is where you will download the application on your phone. And again, some of the same features. You can go follow along on the bottom. You can check your balance, view your card, add a boost, send payments, invest in stocks, and then all the way to the right, the little B, you can invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. There's also a boost feature where you can earn 5% cash back 5% Bitcoin back on certain payments. So that's a boost that we'll take a look at right now. So here's some of the boosts. If you go back to the card, a lot of them are like fast food restaurants, pizza places, some grocery stores, and like I said, the occasional Bitcoin boost that you can add onto there. So make sure you're adding these on before you make a purchase, so that way you can kind of get some benefit back into your account and get some cash back on some things. Cool, and again, you can take a look at your transactions, see there all the boost payments that I've made and some of the things that I've gotten back. And then you can also see kind of your QR code if you want to have somebody tag that to pay you. So that's it. That's the Cash App. There's an affiliate link in the description if you wanted to get signed up. And I think you have to plug in a referral code as well, and then you get $5 back. So you can use mine, you can use a buddy's, whatever you need to do. Make sure you use one though, so you get that money back. If you have questions, let me know. Thank you.